What's up, it's Jeremy Kruis. I am testing out the GoPro 7 on my morning run today. If you can hear me and if this is stable enough to watch, that's pretty impressive. So I usually run to the sports complex, which is a couple kilometers away from my house, do a few laps here, and then run back. And usually that takes me 30 minutes. Here we go, arriving at the stadium now. It's gonna be a hot one today. Hot, so hot. Man, if you can hear me right now, this audio, I'm pretty impressed. Alright, doing the run back now. Just did a couple laps here at Amaranto. This is gonna be the hard part, going uphill back. Oh my gosh, that was 30 minutes straight running, no stops, 4.04 kilometers. Pretty easy pace, but my goal is just to run 30 minutes every day. Run at least 30 minutes every day, just to keep my heart conditioned and my mind conditioned to start out the day. Alright, once I get back inside, review some of the footage from here, I'll let you know my final thoughts. GoPro, stop recording. I've been editing together some of the footage from this morning, from the run, and I'm super impressed with how stable the GoPro 7 is. I can't believe it. Like, literally, there was a one hyperlapse where I was still like jogging, like with my arms moving like this. I was holding the GoPro in this arm. We're literally holding it with this thing and running like this, and it still managed to get like a pretty smooth hyperlapse shot. Some people have been asking me about the DJI Osmo Pocket and whether I'm going to get that. And in my opinion, I think for running specifically, the GoPro is actually going to be more stable, because with a gimbal, you're going to get a lot of bounce up and down in the footage. Whereas this GoPro, it magically somehow stabilizes it and makes it look like it's just smooth, which is insane. You can't even do that with a gimbal, because you're gonna get a lot of bounce up and down. I honestly was not trying to keep it stable at all. I was just holding it out like this with the selfie stick thing, running, and I don't know, man, that's so crazy. The technology is so crazy. I'm continuing to use the GoPro. It's so fun, so I'll use it for the rest of the day. Let me know what you're thinking about how the footage looks. If you saw my video a couple days ago, I got a little bite from a dog, and so I had my first vaccination a few days ago. So now I'm going back for the second out of 4 rabies vaccination shots. I'm here picking up henna. Isn't that crazy? It's like a gimbal shot with the GoPro. We were stopping for lunch.
Vaccine for Verorab. Ay, Verorab vaccine.
Anti-rabies.
Anti-rabies po.
Sorry nagkakat yung line. Ano po ulit?
Siguro sa SMR.
Record na. 3, 4, 5. Ikala mo, sabihin ko. Nagtawag-tawag kami ng mga clinic, mga hospital. Kasi ito mo, ayan, nakikita niyo ba yan? Ang galing-galing kasi ni Jeremy. Pakagat siya. Hindi naman nagtawag. Joke lang, hindi. Punta kami sa SM lang para magpa-vaccine ng second shot ni Jeremy na Verorab vaccine.
Done! Got it. Got the vaccine. 2 out of 4. So since I got my shot here at the mall, we were gonna go try to edit somewhere, but ran into this nail salon with really cheap mani-pedi cure, so we decided to come here, spur of the moment. I wanted to treat Hannah, and I'm getting a pedicure as well. Okay, so I decided to start editing here. We're done getting our manicure pedicures now. So I'm gonna finish editing here. So that's gonna be the end of this video. And yeah, make sure to leave it a like if you enjoyed watching, and subscribe to see more of my videos. And leave your thoughts below. What do you think of the GoPro?
Like, share.
See you next time. Bye bye.